So hello everyone, this is Anshika Singh and today we are going to debate on a topic which is abroad schools are better or Indian schools are better. I have chosen Indian schools and I think Misty has chosen the abroad schools.
Yeah.
So what do you want to speak about that?
First, I want to ask that why you choose Indian schools are better.
Indian schools are better because they mostly talk about the theoretical parts of the studies, and here the students who are studying now, they will get the more ideas about the regional studies, and they will get the more ideas of theoretical studies and etc.
But in abroad schools, it also happens what you are saying, and you know their students, the teachers of abroad schools, they didn't force on their grades and all, but they also focus on their curricular activities. But here this not happen. They only focus on their grades.
They do not focus on the theoretical studies, they focus on the application based studies, if you don't know. And also they do not force that much. Of course Indian schools also do not force that much, but if you don't know that in Japan that is the hardest exam conducted, which is if you are giving 10,000 plus students, if they are giving the exam, only 2 or 3 are just pass this exam. So what do you want to speak on that topic?
I want to say that on that thing, the students are choosing that thing, right? In the India, this also happened. JEE, NEET, and all things that are too much hard, and only from 1 lakh student, only 1,000 students can qualify that. This is also hard.
But that also in India every year the 10,000 plus doctor, engineers, and other students are qualified.
Yeah, right.
And in Japan, one exam.
I know. But in the Japan, the students are building robots in the age of 5, 6 and 7. But India, this is not happening because the Japan schools are too much qualified about these things. And you know, their state technique, right? How they study? Toppers and junior students who don't know that much about. So the toppers teach the junior students. And in the India, we didn't do this. The teachers only focus on toppers.
What do you want to speak about the CEO of Google? It is not a greatest search engine over there,
yeah,
which happens on the Android phones, and most of the YouTube and other things. And I think you have just listened about Starbucks. It is also owned by the Indians. What do you want to speak about that? The Indian peoples have the mind. They have the mind which they are becoming the CEOs of the companies, not over there. And also you are telling the smarter students just teach the small one,
yeah,
who are not that much studied.
Yeah.
So I want to speak that in my school and in other schools of India, it is also conducted by the students. And also we are standing in front of this and we are talking in debate.
Yeah.
Most of the students will learn about this debate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only most of the students, right? But what about those students who cannot do debate?
In my school, debate is after the school, the debate is conducted.
Yeah.
Over there.
In only our school, right?
Our school. Too many schools are there. If I want to tell you, there are too many schools like Dhirubhai Ambani school who conduct all the activities, control activities, support all the activities, and even which is too much good schools, Nalanda universities and much more, who are there who conduct all the things like debate. And
but I have not seen in this area and all.
We are
because
not
we
are not talking about the area. We are talking about the country.
I know about your country you are talking, but you know in the abroad schools there is a game day, right? In the India there is a game day, right?
Yep.
But in the abroad school there is not any type of game day.
Yeah.
Every day they do the game, their national game, like basketball, you know.
Yeah.
Every day they play that. But in the India we get only the chance in a week or in a month to play. I have seen in many schools.
And in abroad, I think you don't know, in abroad there are very long period of the school's timing, which is from the morning to the evening.
No, you are wrong.
In India also, there is not that much time limits are there. When you come in school for the studying, after going to school, you can play, you can learn anything you want to do it.
I know.
Yeah. Then why you want the extra period for the curricular activities? But Indian also give, not in our school, but in different schools, in different areas, they give for one period for the playing.
Oh, but wait. You are saying that every time they study?
Yeah.
In abroad schools? No, you are wrong. Their schools are every time open. Like 24 hours, their schools are every time open. But the student want to study 24 hours so that the student can study. They didn't force on that much studying and all.
I didn't say that they force on studies.
I think
you are also the 24 arts, now you can call any teachers, anyone to for your queries which you want to ask from anyone. Here teachers are available who will give your answers.
Now I think we should stop the debate now because we have taken too much time.
What?